Hello everybody, this is Muzaffar. In today's video, we will install Postgres on macOS using Homebrew. Before we start, please make sure you have Homebrew installed on your computer. You can install it using this command here. You can just copy and paste it in your terminal and it should install Homebrew on your computer. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll head over to the terminal and here I can check whether brew is installed. So brew dash version. Alright, I have brew 3 installed on my computer. Let's do brew services list. Brew services list. I can see I only have Redis installed on my computer using brew. So we can now install PostgreSQL on my computer. So let's do brew install PostgreSQL. It is installing, might take some time. Alright, it is installed now. Let's check brew services list again. This time we can see PostgreSQL 14 installed on my computer. So let's copy the name of the service and you can see the status is none, which means it is not started yet. So let's start the service now. So brew services start Postgres 14. Okay, let's do brew services list again. Alright, the status for PostgreSQL is started, which means it should work now. Let's check psql command. Alright, psql is installed. We can even do Postgres version. Yep, Postgres is successfully installed on our computer now. Postgres comes with a few default databases. One of them is Postgres. Let's try to connect to the Postgres database using psql utility. So we can do psql Postgres. Right, we are connected to it. Let's try to list all the databases /t/l or /list. Both are same basically. So here we can see we have 3 databases already, and let's do /l plus. This way we can see the description and the table space and size columns. So here we can see the Postgres belongs to my user, which is Muzaffar, and it is my computer user. So these 3 users belong to my computer user, and they are basically default administration connection databases. Let's try to create a new database here. Create database blue light. Press enter. Now let's test again. This time we can see our new database called blue light. Let's exit out of this psql utility. We can do /quit. Now let's try to connect to psql using table plus or dbeaver. Let's try first with table plus. So here I don't have any connections yet. Let's click on create a new connection, and here, because I'm connecting to PostgreSQL, I'll select it and create. Then here I'll just name it Postgres, because I'll try to connect to the Postgres database. So the database name is Postgres, and remember the username. The owner of that database was my user. You see here, Muzaffar. Let's go back and put the name of the user here and click paste. Nice, we can see the connection is now established. Let's save it and double click on this connection. Nice, we have connected to the Postgres database. Let's go back and try to connect to it using dbeaver now. So with dbeaver it is going to be same, but let's just try to connect to it for this example. So in this UI I'll just click on this adapter plus icon. I'll select PostgreSQL. Similarly, similar to table plus, we can just add host and database name and the username. You see currently it is set as Postgres. If we try to test connection, it should fail because there is no such user there. Try to update the user to my computer user, and if you test again, we should be connected. So press OK and finish. Nice, we are now connected to the Postgres database using dbeaver. You can check the schemas and tables. It is empty, there is nothing yet. Okay, so that's about it for installing PostgreSQL on macOS using Homebrew. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in next video.